Lovely to have all of you, and I just saw the series as well, and I think you are quite a peppy, in a very peppy mood. So you tell me about your series and how you got all of them on board with different moods.
No, I don't feel like. No, I'll say. Okay, so it was a long journey because it started with a book called Asmara's Summer, written by Andali Bajit. It was developed into a storyline before I came on board. For about 2 years, it was developed by our producer Seema and Jahanara as well as Prerna from Amazon. And then once I came on board, read the book. Book was lovely, but the book was very centered on only Asmara's journey. And what I love about the script is that it takes us on a journey with every character. Every character has their own, they makes their own mistakes, has their own learnings, matures in their own way. Some of them mature, some of them don't mature, stay the same, but that's life. And so I think and I'm very, very lucky. It took a long time. It was slightly painful. I was questioning my life choices, but ultimately very, very lucky to have such a cutie cast. World's best. World's best Tanya, world's best Naina, world's best Asmara, world's best Farzana, world's best Rukhsana. So I think once they came on board, it just suddenly started feeling like like it became real, you know, when the characters start, because otherwise when you're reading them, they're just in your imagination, you haven't really put a face to any character, but when they come on, you're like, oh, and then how much can you take from their own characteristics? Like I think Rukhsana is so much of Vishaka. Naina though I think is Revati only. Like I feel like, honestly, like I think there's so much of, I never told Naina to dance like that. I just, whenever I'm like, Revati, just look happy, she's like, ooh. And I'm like, oh, well done. And that is just Naina's. So, and you know, so much of Asmara's mannerisms are Anushka's mannerisms, and so much of Farzan is so, with most of the characters, I think we got very, very lucky because we cast so close to the character, like the person is so much closer to the character that it was a freaking dream. Spat also while saying that because I was so excited.
I have to also ask you this, like, you know, as we could see, they are quite funny and they're quite like vibrant. Were they comfortable enough for you to manage on the set?
Oh, yeah. Very easy.
How were the scenes otherwise on the set?
Yeah. They were very well behaved on set.
With her, she's so calm, composed. She never jokes around. She's never,
Very serious.
she's
Very
serious.
jumping
Super
around.
serious. Yeah.
Very
So
sincere.
serious that
It's
could
true.
see that,
It
like,
was a little
so
upsetting because I'm like, what is all this laughter and unnecessary noise? Let's all just maintain some decorum.
Yeah.
And let's maintain some semblance of discipline, you know, like Farzan says. We need discipline.
we need discipline.
Yeah.
Rowdy
Yeah,
monkeys.
rowdy monkeys.
Rowdy monkeys.
Rowdy monkey.
How the
Honestly, you know, jokes apart, but we all reflect the energy that Debbie gives us.
That is true.
So it is literally she's
Yeah.
the mirror, and we just like जो energy हमको उनसे आ रहा है वही हम reflect करके we can. That's the only way we can portray ourselves on screen so well.
Yes.
So
She's
hats off to you.
fabulous.
So as I was saying that when I was watching the series and I saw that, you know, how these girls were in front of their friends versus how they are with their parents, or, you know, the stories behind, and they're just portraying a fake picture. And most of us do that,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
when
yeah.
we're with their friends. Oh, it's all scenes, but we know what exactly the reality is.
True.
You know, how you all are, you know, when you are with your family versus with your friends. Do you also do such things, you know, otherwise?
I ironically, because I'm an actor, so I have to act, but in real life, I can't lie. I just can't. I'm a very bad liar. So, लोगों को पता चल जाएगा if I'm lying, so I just don't.
And I think it makes things very easy, you know, when you're not lying.
Simple,
because
right?
simple, Rako, yeah.
Yeah, but for me, I can't lie because my friends are closer to my family. So they'll be like, auntie, nahi, auntie. And firstly, they call my mom also amma. Most of my friends. So I just can't lie. She mama will be like, अच्छा, मुझे तो कोई और जवाब मिला कहीं से. So that's even if I want to,
You
I
get
can't.
caught.
I get caught
You get
anyway.
caught.
So.
What about you, Kush?
I mean, yeah, I have a set of friends. The only ones, a small circle that I chill with. I don't have to lie to them about anything. We are pretty open about each other's lives and we appreciate each other. We be a part of each other's journey, and so we don't need to ever lie about anything.
Small white lies happen. Small
Yeah,
white
basic.
Lies, you're like, you don't feel like hanging out.
Surprises.
The ones that don't
You don't want to go.
Surprises and
You're
all.
not in the mood of going today. You're just like
Yeah.
white lies. It's,
But there's this
That's my most consistent lie. Very busy.
Every day.
Our work is very
every day. Debbie's white
Udaan
lies are
bhar rahe
every
hain
day.
hum.
Sometimes
Constant.
when we used to text you, you would be like, sorry, I was at the edit, you didn't text back. So that was true? No.
And you
I like the way she's quizzing you. Yeah, she's
I love you, Debs.
But I have to ask this, to all of you, as we say that, okay, there are white lies and all. How many times you have tried lying whenever your parent has said, like, चलो अब ये रिश्तेदार के यहाँ पे जाते हैं, ये relative के यहाँ पे जाते हैं, you have these gatherings and all, especially शादी में जाना.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Wow.
Because I barely go, I can barely go because I'm working. तो जब भी मुझे बुलाते हैं मैं तो इनफैक्ट पूछती हूँ कि किसी शादी हो रही चलते हैं, मैं डांस करूँगी. You know, अब तो हमारा गाना भी आया म्यूजिक एल्बम, तो अब तो मैं डांस भी कर सकती हूँ मेरे खुद के शो के गाने पे.
So we all know that Anushka is the small kid जो हमारे parents हमेशा मालूम है present करते हैं family days में. That small kid.
And I can actually happily
बेटा
do
नाच
it.
के दिखा.
बेटा नाच के दिखाओ.
और कितनी बात करना है.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love spending time with my family and my relatives. So I'm looking forward to these kind of events.
Sorry.
Be it any occasion, festivals or anything like that. If you're planning also, if you're staying far away and if you're planning a trip together, I'm looking forward to these kind of situation. I'm never avoiding कि कोई शादी पे जाना है, कोई दूर है, गोरेगांव में रहते हो तो वर्ली पे शादी में जाना है, नहीं यार आप लोग दोनों चले जाओ, मैं आराम करूँगा. नहीं, I would love to go with them, and I'm always a part of this.
Are you all gossipy like that, with your relatives and all?
Oh, very.
Gossipy, तो I think everybody here we have only gossip.
We only have our own gossip.
हमारा
I think
खुद का
Kush is the
group.
biggest. He's
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Me?
You're the biggest girly.
You're the best. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Kush will be like, you know
Kush,
what?
what gossip you have since they
I
are
am not
constantly
understanding anything what they're saying.
अच्छा.
देखो तो भोले.
He
doesn't lie.
वाह, ये अभी
He said he doesn't lie.
I am
Exactly
honestly
what
not
I was
understanding anything.
I'm just checking if he
Where
said
do I
he didn't
gossip?
lie.
No, be gossip. You know what
But
happened?
you're like Karan Johar. You have all the gossip.
Wow.
You give all the gossip, and we are like a
And how
Kareena
do you
Kapoor.
from you.
I am really not. Hello.
Azan,
Don't give me
tell,
that.
don't leave Samina hanging. Tell gossip.
Come on, yeah.
But what gossip?
Give
do I
gossip.
actually
Something
tell
you maybe haven't
What's
heard, or
happening?
something you
Cut
don't know
he'll
about.
start.
हाँ.
Something you don't know about the show.
Yeah.
About the show, about the characters
About the
you're working
show.
with.
Come on.
Why did you keep going?
There's nothing. There's like a gossip, but we've had so many.
There's a big gossip that we can't say.
Yeah. So I'm like,
That everybody's thinking
I
that
think they're careful around you, Debbie, is what I feel.
no.
no, absolutely not.
It's not around her.
We
It's
can
about.
be more of us.
Wow, I like the way Anushka's confessing about it.
It's true because we all know what it is.
Yeah.
So
We all
we're
know
like,
what it
we
is.
can't talk about it.
Cannot
Just
say
gonna keep
that,
that.
but
Yeah.
yeah.
You know.
But as we
had-
talk about Karan Johar and Kareena Kapoor Khan,
Yes.
when I saw this also, when I started seeing the trailer, it reminded me of K3G.
Oh, shut
Kind of.
If it
Kind-
did,
that's a
that's
big-
great.
wow.
That's great.
Because it's like Raichand versus Chandni Chowk.
Ah.
That's great.
If you see the Tibri,
Yeah.
This is new,
Yeah.
yeah, the Tibri,
Like-
the Tibri thing, if you
Yeah.
see the
Good
Tibri
feedback.
and versus,
Yeah.
where she's
Nice.
staying
Nice.
otherwise.
And also
Perspective.
so
We didn't
special
do it like
because
that.
Karan sir only introduced our show.
Yeah.
At Prime Day, so it was really special.
Yeah, Karan actually introduced the show on Prime Day, so it's great that you're managed. Except that in Raichand, nobody lied and went to stay there.
But that's where Dil Dosti Dilemma is a little different.
A little different.
And for that, you need to watch
Shahrukh
Dil
was
Dosti
thrown out
Dilemma
of the
on
house
Amazon
after
Prime
trying to
for
bring
20
Chandni
minutes.
Chowk.
Yeah, because he's ulta. He wanted to be in Chandni Chowk and he got thrown out.
He
Here
got
she
thrown
doesn't
out.
want to be, but she gets thrown there anyway.
Yes.
It's great. It's
You
what
are
parallel.
You should have a video on that, that running video of Shah Rukh Khan kind of.
Karan Johar sir, if you're listening, my name is Jayashree Pillai. My height is 5'5". Thank you.
Wow, I like the way she's introduced herself already. What are you doing, Anushka? Are you
Always
doing
be
something
prepared.
about it?
Me?
Yeah.
About what?
About introducing yourself because Shah Rukh Khan Part 3.
Ek to everyone remember
I
that
mean,
this is your
today
closed
I
camera.
was, around Mannat only, so we were actually
We
there.
were, yeah.
So we kind of said hi. To like,
So please watch Dil
Hi,
Dosti
sir.
Dilemma.
Ah.
please
on
watch our
Amazon
show.
Prime.
Oh my God, it'll be so cool.
Please. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, the awesome threesome are sitting together. Bhai Behan are sitting together. Class monitor is sitting here.
That's okay.
How many times you have been in that embarrassing situation when you're caught with your friends and suddenly a relative comes in and you're like, doing your own masti shasti and all, and suddenly there is a relative over there.
They will never enter only because they know I'm
Yeah,
up to
and
some.
बेटा ये क्या कर रहे हो? Okay, हम जाके ये बोलेंगे आपके बारे में. ऐसा कभी हुआ है? Never.
Oh God, I hope.
At least what shows in the show.
We don't do anything like that.
No.
We're very innocent.
And if they do, they're careful about not being caught.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, we
even
are
in a
very
show,
street smart that way.
we should be more.
Like if it is something to be done, they won't be around relatives. Like I know them well enough to be like, अगर कुछ कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा planning करके चल. बहुत intelligent है यार.
Yeah.
सारी
Smart minds.
Yeah,
quite
smart minds.
quite smart, I must say that. But एक ऐसी middle class हरकत, you know, जो आप अभी भी करते हो, you know, even after, you know, being an actor or influencer.
होटल से सामान चुराना.
I have been a kleptomaniac for a very long time in my life.
Okay.
Okay, मैंने होटल से
He's
अगर आप
wearing
मुझे
my
बोलो
ring
कोई
we know,
आइटम्स
we know.
होटल के जो आपको लगता है कि ये थोड़ी उठा सकते हैं
Yeah.
तो मैं हाथ ऊपर करना चाहूँगा कि मैंने वो सब भी उठाए हैं.
Can I say there is a blanket that's always there? It's in my bag right now, and I picked it up from an airline.
That's okay. Why are you
That
feeling
is so
embarrassed?
good. Allowed.
No, you're not allowed to take it. It's a very fancy
It was a
blanket.
phase.
Anything you have done, Debbie, like that?
Lots of middle. I will everything. I will bargain, even though it is so stupid. Like I'm like, क्या है, क्यों? Then I will. What else? What is middle class?
Toothpaste.
Yeah, toothpaste को
Making
roll
sure,
करना.
My moisturizer in that condition roll किया.
To cut it. Sometimes sunscreen I cut it
But
and
that's
then
good. See, we're saving.
But it's mainly about
रेस्टोरेंट
comfort
का वो माना
space.
वो सॉफ्ट लेकर जाना एक
I don't
wrap
like
एक
soft.
टिश्यू लो
Tissue लो,
उसको
yeah,
mint डाल दो
yeah,
उसको लेके
exactly,
pocket में
milk को
डाल
लेके
के
जाना.
जाओ.
Yeah.
छोटी पार्टी नानी की
Vishaka?
हरकतें.
I do do everything.
Yeah.
Actually, middle class.
Yeah. No, even we are all middle class only.
It's about comfort, right? How you
Yeah.
carry yourself. I mean, what you're comfortable
You do it very
with.
smartly now, like okay, ठीक है, you know, career
Yeah.
types. But if given a chance to all of you, would you prefer letting go of your phone and go to a place like Tipri, you know, you know, and just stay over there? Would you
I would
prefer?
actually.
Yeah.
Why not?
I would love it.
Change of space.
Yeah.
It's good. I think I'll learn so much and it'll be cool. It'll be like a good change.
Experience.
Yeah, good experience.
I just like. I don't mind. I don't even have to go anywhere. I would just like at the point where you said, "Would you like to get rid of your phone?" I was like, "Yes."
Yes. Very
All
much.
of us have really
I
stayed
know.
somewhere.
Just be like, hide the
It'll
phone.
be therapeutic.
Just sit. Yeah, it's
Therapeutic.
It will be.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
should. Everyone should do like a no phone day at least
Should
once
we
a
do
month.
that?
I
You
think.
should.
Yeah.
Should all like
Just disappear.
Go to
for
it.
it.
Throw the phones.
Babe, you all can't do these things.
Anushka.
I
That's
know,
why I was not
Anushka.
saying yes to it. I was
Exactly.
like,
I'm saying
y'all
for
can
2
do.
days.
Yeah. Revati,
I
like
like
yes.
50-50 in this
I can
idea.
do 2 days.
You can send me to Tibri Road, but with the phone.
With the
Yeah.
phone.
And the
Yeah.
thing is, why I'm saying it,
And
there's a
then the
reason,
video,
I
the
can live
vlogs
without my
and all.
phone,
Yeah.
but my fans will be like, कहाँ गए? You know, they get worried. So if I'm not posting
तो
anything for a
बोल
day,
दो
they
ना
get
जाने से
ऐसा.
पहले कि 2 दिन के लिए जा रही हूँ
हाँ, तो मैं बोला ना
आ रही
इसलिए.
हूँ.
But have you
break.
experimented something like this, you know, when you have been completely off social media and people are like,
Yeah.
where is she?
Yeah,
I've done that.
I like
I've
that
done
also.
that.
I like the attention.
Yeah.
Where are
I
you,
want
man?
a
Where are
social
you? मजा आता है.
Yeah.
फिर बोलने फिर आगे say guys I'm
I
back.
have.
I used to
I used to be a part of this social initiative where we used to go to drought-stricken villages in Maharashtra to teach underprivileged kids and provide them capital investment so that they can come up with a business idea and they can initiate a new business in their area and all that stuff. So we used to stay there for like a week, 10 days, not use our phones, stay completely disconnected, live like them, eat like them, do everything like them. So once we came back from that place, it was a completely different
Energy.
like it was like, yeah, exactly. It felt really, really nice.
And what is that one thing you miss, you know, while you when ever since social media has taken, you know, over our lives in a way?
I
Hop,
don't
skip and
miss
jump.
anything. No. I don't miss anything. I still do the things that I used to do before social media. I think you can't let one thing affect your life like that.
But do you feel like a bit panicky, you know, when you're not there on social media and you feel like I've missed out something, you know,
Absolutely
some
not.
information?
No.
As such.
No.
No, when we are working, actually, it gets very difficult to keep up with things. So I actually like it.
Kind of
It's fine.
accept it. कि ठीक है सब कुछ we can't know everything and we can't be a part of everything, right?
Yeah.
So it's
It's
okay.
fine.
But
You will
like
miss out on
I
stuff.
do relate to what you said that if it's not there, then you do feel a sense of FOMO because all your information these days comes and it's become so second nature to us. The moment you open your phone, you don't even know it. You've tapped on the app and you've opened it and you're checking what's happening, and it's become the biggest source of information for us these days. So there is a lack of I'm missing out on something if I'm not on my phone.
Correct.
That is there for sure.
Yeah, of
That's
course.
true.
And I like, you know, even in the show, they use the phone, they use social media to sort of keep tabs on each other.
Yeah.
So I think that's
It's in a
also
good way.
something
Yeah.
in
In a good way.
Yeah. Like
That's
they
a
keep
good
to check
utilization.
why. Like that's something I feel.
Just like
For me,
nobody
I
said.
find that I use social media apps just to check on other people. I'm not using it for my own. I'll be just like, oh, what's going on in their life? What's going? Just stalking other people.
Wow.
Because then that's how you know. Like okay, they're doing
like
well,
those
doing
Debs
well.
hardly posts.
Yeah,
so
I like
she
it.
hardly posts.
I don't
right?
post. Yeah.
That's how we got to know Noons went out with Arman.
Yeah.
Of course.
Can I just tell you about? I don't know if you clocked it, But for 5 seconds, Naina got so scared.
She was not
Revati
even
got
kidding.
scared because she thought she said Revati went out with some boy. So she was like,
How does she know?
Like, 1 second, who is this boy?
Arman.
Let me actually go out with him and see.
You didn't think that, but okay.
Yeah.
Moving on, yeah.
Oh, wow, I like the way she's like, Karan Johar ko convince kar liya maine already. You know, how many of you are not from Mumbai or, you know, not from, you know, the
She's from
city
Thane.
life?
Not born.
Not born.
I think
not born. She's from
She's from Thane.
Thane.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
But Mumbai is,
stop it.
it's a part.
Stop it.
Yeah, because Debbie's from Chembur, come on.
I know, come
Say
on.
that.
Please, behave yourselves.
I am a proud Thane girl, okay?
Yeah, I'm proud.
But see,
Proud
basically
Thane for
roots.
life.
But roots
Mumbai,
trace are
born
from
and
some
Yeah,
other
yeah.
place. Born and
Ranchi, Jalandhar, Banaras.
Okay.
ओ ऐसा है तो मेरा गांव केरला है ऐसे गांव बोल रहे हैं born
I'm talking
and brought up in
about
Thane, बाबा
mom का गाँव होता है, dad का गाँव होता है, वैसे कुछ.
अच्छा,
Mom का
ancestry.
गाँव.
Yes, mom dad वाला गाँव, not the
मतलब,
kids.
okay, no,
अबे?
mom dad also were born and brought
Lahore,
up in
Karachi.
Bombay. But grandfather is
Mom is from Khemkaran, close to Amritsar, Punjab.
Yeah.
Dad is from Mumbai. Ancestors are from before partition.
And
Karachi, Lahore.
when we talk about this, when during this phase, you know, whenever you have been to your gaon, you know, to the place you go to the village, I know, I got it. But whenever you have gone to your, you know, village or something like that, कितनी बार आपको वहाँ पे लोगों ने, you know, ऐसा देखा है that ओ शहर के लोग आ चुके हैं, and you know, and then
मुंबई एक बहुत बड़ा
हमको
शहर है.
बंगाली बोलते हैं
हमारे
in
साथ
Kerala.
क्या बातें
Yeah, no
करेंगे आप?
offense. I'm not kidding. They call us Bengali. Bengali gale vannu. They say that's the term. I don't know why. So there are a lot of Bengalis who work in Kerala at stores and shops as chefs. So someone who doesn't live in Kerala who works over there are called Bengalis because there are a lot of Bengalis in Kerala. I think this is the logic. So they say ki Bengali gale vannu.
So many people, I mean, it's nice that they have Bengali
Yeah.
people there also.
What about
Or they're like Bombay people.
For me, it doesn't really happen like that. Jamshedpur and Kolkata, they're just like, oh, you're from back because I go like once in a while, so they don't behave like that. I don't know. It's so nice that they're all so close कि किसी कोई भी नया आता है मतलब ऐसा एक घर में कोई नया है, everybody knows that who's come from शहर, and they're all like, because I've been acting for so long, so they all come like and they're like, oh my God, you've come
Also,
after
I
so
think
long.
all of them are a little more sensible. Like, it's not like Asmara who showed up in little bumsters and one spaghetti in Tibri. It's that one of those. Like,
But I have a
everyone
very
knows
fun
to-
story. I have a fun story. So I had a whole phase, I think I was 13, 14. The ripped jeans, you remember? Ripped jeans and बहुत गंदी तरीके से, मतलब jeans, it's barely jeans. So I used to have that phase. It's just, yeah. Jeans. So I had that phase where I would wear like ripped jeans, and I went to Nani's place in Jamshedpur, and I was like a little worried. मुझे पता नहीं कैसे react करेंगे वो, and I went there. I'm like, hi Nani, कैमो नाचो, and she's like, what is this? I'm like, this is like style these days, you know, teenagers are doing this. I think I also had like eyeliner and like jeans and all of that. And she said, oh, cool. It's nice only. You look pretty, whatever you wear. So she was like that. So I didn't feel that way because they always appreciated me for
My
it.
dad's funny. He thinks he's being very funny when I
Yeah.
wear a dress. He'll be like, you forgot your pants.
Oh
on."
my
I was like,
Even my dad does that.
I was like, can you not? Ek to it's not even funny after the third or fourth time. Like after
But it
a
is
fourth.
funny, it is
But
But
he
then
tells it.
the cuter part is when he
Yeah.
does this. So I'm
Yeah.
like, अरे मतलब funny तो है मतलब the laugh is funny.
And lastly, before I let all of you go, what is that one thing you take away from this show?
Very good friends.
Yeah. Made a
hands
huge,
down.
made a huge family.
A team.
Yeah.
Go together.
Dil, dosti, and hopefully no dilemma.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
No,
Same for
Hopefully,
everybody.
no dilemma.
Nobody's
I
going
feel like she meant
I
like
did,
as a
I
moral
did.
of the story type.
Moral
I
of
don't know.
the
Were you
story.
saying from the project?
No,
or
from the project,
show?
from you know working
Acha,
together.
oh, yeah.
Great
people.
memories,
Like
great
not just
dosti.
these
Amazing
guys,
people.
The
We've had
team
so
of people
much
that we
fun.
worked with. Oh my God.
Everybody's energy and
even
vibe is
like
in
the
sync.
technicians, our
Yeah.
DP, our
Yeah.
production designer, our stylist, our hair and makeup team, every single person on that. We had such a cohesive set. It was,
Yeah.
and it's and touch wood, this doesn't happen very often where you get a group of people where everyone is bringing, like the energy is multiplying on a
That's
daily
true.
basis. So it's one of those things where like 2 + 2 22 kind
Yeah.
of situation.
मतलब
you know,
standards इतने ऊपर हो गए, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा लोगों को keep up करने में.
where- Season 2 में
Lovely chatting with all of
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.